Whether you are going somewhere exotic this spring break or staying home, I have a recipe that will make you feel like you're in a Hawaiian paradise. I'm Caitlyn, a registered dietitian with Fareway, and this is a recipe you have got to try, our Hawaiian pulled chicken. Start by chopping a red onion and garlic. Add this to some crushed pineapple, reduced sodium soy sauce, ground ginger, and some red pepper flakes. Add this to 1 pound of chicken in your crock pot and cook on low for 4 to 6 hours. Shred your chicken with 2 forks and you have the perfect blend of sweet and savory. Serve your Hawaiian pulled chicken on a bed of fresh lettuce, served with some fresh red cabbage, cilantro, slivered almonds, shredded carrots, and green onion. For more recipes like this, head to fareway.com.